Welcome. If you're looking to stop Google Chrome from automatically downloading files without your permission, you're in the right place. Automatic downloads can be convenient, but they also pose security risks and can clutter your device with unwanted files. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to disable automatic downloads on Google Chrome, updated for the latest version. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're on the main browser screen so you can easily access the menu. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on those 3 dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can control a variety of browser options. Now, scroll down until you find Site Settings. Tap on it. Site settings allow you to manage permissions and behaviors for websites you visit, including notifications, pop-ups, and, of course, downloads. Within site settings, look for the option labeled Automatic Downloads. This section controls whether websites can download multiple files automatically without asking you first. Once you're in the Automatic Downloads section, you'll see a switch or toggle at the top of the page. To disable automatic downloads, simply toggle this switch off. This change means websites will have to ask for your permission before downloading multiple files, giving you more control and helping keep your device secure. That's it. You've now disabled automatic downloads on Google Chrome. From now on, Chrome will prompt you before any site tries to download multiple files, so you can decide what gets saved to your device. Taking a moment to adjust this setting can help protect your privacy and keep your downloads organized. If you ever want to re-enable automatic downloads, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more up-to-date tech tips and tutorials. Stay safe and happy browsing.